Welcome. In this video I will show you how to correctly use the fast charger for your Samsung Galaxy A57. So before we start using a fast charger, we have to make sure that the fast charging is enabled on our smartphone. And to enable it, we have to swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon to open settings, scroll down to battery settings in this menu, and then go to charging settings. Here, enable the fast charging by switching this toggle to the right, and this will let you charge your device much faster in case you are actually using a 45 watts Samsung original charger. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.